Hello guys, so I am here to talk to you, not in a setting that you're used to, but it's not a maths video guys, so don't think I'm gonna be saying, okay, let's move on to the math. No, it's like a real life thing where I found out that persons are really struggling. And when I say persons, I mean students are struggling. See what I'm saying? They are at home, they are burdened by so many different things, and sometimes the parents are also stressed out and they don't know how to make this work. So a student guys, she called me and said, Miss Kennedy, what can I do to stay motivated? And I stopped. I feel so emotional right now, guys. I'm sorry. And I stopped and I said to her, what makes you happy? And she said it to me. And I'm like, do you pray? Do you know how to pray? She said, yes, I can pray. I do pray. I'm like, when you pray, do you believe what you pray? And she said, yes. Guys, my eyes were filled with water. I don't know what to say. It is so hard not to trust God. I don't care if anyone that watches my channel doesn't believe in God. I'm just saying it. It is so hard, guys. Like, you have to understand that there's a supreme being, like the universe is listening, he is watching. You understand? So even if you don't call him whatever other person's calling him, you have to have that connection. And so as the exams approach, guys, you may be struggling financially, emotionally, mentally, and all the different alleys, guys. But one thing you can do to get over that is to pray. Alright? Pray, have faith, read your Bible, if you read the Bible. Or just do something that makes you happy. Release that tension that you're building up inside. Sometimes it's not the tension, not something you want to release on someone. It's just to talk to somebody about it. You know, guys, when I used to feel pressured by my schoolwork when going to college or even high school, I used to go outside, take a book, and I would just write. Those times my family would think that I'm going to be some artist or something, because, guys, I am always writing. And so, if you ask them now, they can tell you the same thing. So what I'm saying to you is just to find that thing that brings you comfort. Drop everything, just relax your mind, just breathe in, and just be you. You understand what I'm saying? And so, I find comfort in writing, in praying, in singing, or even watching movie. But you have to remain focused, guys. So after you release that tension, or maybe when you talk to somebody, that's okay as well. So after you release that tension, you go back and pick up where you left off. So the exams are coming down, SBAs are needed, the teachers are angry at you for not submitting your work or not doing it correctly. Guys, you can do it and you will do it. Alright? And I trust and I'm keeping you all in my prayers, even if it doesn't have to do with exam. Like a family situation or something of that sort. You are going to get through it. Alright? So in this time, I urge you to find courage in someone, in something, and just de-stress and be you. Alright? So thank you very much for watching. I hope this act as some form of motivation to you. And the person may be watching this video, so I didn't disclose your name or anything like that. But I don't know if other persons are going through the same thing as you. And so I felt moved to share this with my YouTube community, even Facebook and Instagram. So guys, stay motivated. Alright? Do you, love you, take care of you. There's only one you, and no one can replace that. Alright? So when you overwork and burn out and all that, you're gonna be gone. And whoever you were doing that for is gonna still be here because they weren't doing as excess as you. So do you take care of you, because self-love, self-care is very important. All right, and yes, y'all need to get some sleep as well. So I'll see you on my next video. Until then, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and tell a friend about me. Let them come and learn some math. As you know, I have a lot to share. Alright guys, so continue to support me on this journey, and I thank you. Alright, so keep courage and be the best version of yourself all the time.